Could time travel be real? Welcome back to Ceylonia Blue. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics that has captured the imagination of scientists, writers, and dreamers alike. Could time travel be real? From the pages of science fiction to serious scientific theories, the concept of traveling through time has intrigued us for generations. So let's explore the possibilities, the theories, and the wonders of time travel. First, let's look at what time travel means. At its core, time travel refers to the idea of moving between different points in time, much like we move through space. In popular culture, we often envision time machines, like the DeLorean from Back to the Future or the TARDIS from Doctor Who. These imaginative devices allow characters to leap forward or backward in time, creating thrilling adventures. But what does science say about this concept? One of the most significant theories that suggests time travel could be possible comes from Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. According to this theory, time is not a constant. It can be affected by speed and gravity. The faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. This phenomenon is known as time dilation. So if you could travel at speeds close to the speed of light, you would age more slowly than someone who remains stationary. While this doesn't allow for traditional time travel as we imagine it, it does suggest that time can be experienced differently based on your motion. Another intriguing idea comes from the concept of wormholes. Wormholes are theoretical passages through space-time that could create shortcuts between distant points in time and space. If these wormholes exist, they could potentially allow for time travel. However, the existence of wormholes is still purely theoretical, and we have yet to find any evidence of them in the universe. Now, let's address the paradoxes that arise with time travel. One of the most famous is the grandfather paradox. Imagine traveling back in time and accidentally preventing your grandparents from meeting. If that were to happen, you would never be born, which raises the question, how could you have traveled back in time in the first place? This paradox highlights the complex nature of time and causality and poses significant challenges for the concept of time travel. Moreover, many scientists argue that even if time travel were theoretically possible, it might not be practically achievable. The energy required to manipulate space-time on a scale large enough for time travel is beyond our current capabilities. Additionally, there are concerns about the consequences of altering past events. Would changing something in the past create a ripple effect that drastically alters the present? Despite these challenges, the idea of time travel continues to inspire both scientific inquiry and creative storytelling. Movies, books, and television shows have explored this concept in countless ways, allowing us to ponder what it might be like to meet our ancestors or witness historical events firsthand. As we wrap up our exploration of time travel, it's clear that while the idea is rooted in science and imagination, we are still far from making it a reality. The mysteries of time and space continue to captivate our minds, pushing the boundaries of what we know. Thank you for joining us today on Ceylonia Blue to discuss the tantalizing possibility of time travel. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. We love sharing these intriguing topics with you and appreciate your support. Until next time, keep dreaming and exploring the wonders of the universe.